This continue sample solution as 3 for CBSE accountancy subject. Question number 16. Kalki and Kumud were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. That is old profit sharing ratio. There were two old partners. On 1st April 2021, they admitted Kaustubh as a new partner and new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 3,60,000. Kaustubh could not bring any amount of goodwill. He could not bring any amount of goodwill. So the amount of goodwills are to be credited to Kalki and Kumud's accounts will be. There were 4 answers. First of all, we have to find out what is the share of goodwill of Kaustubh, the new partners. According to the new profit sharing ratio 3:2:1, his share is 1/6. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, 6. So 1 out of 6 is share. So he could not bring any amount of goodwill. At that time, his account is to be debited and then partner's account, old partner's account are to be credited according to the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio, we have to find it out first. Sacrificing ratio, how to find out? Old minus new, that is sacrificing ratio. So old ratio, Kalki, Kumud. So old ratio is 5:3. That means 5/8, 3/8. New ratio between Kalki and Kumud is 3:2. I mean 3:2:1. So new ratio 3/6, 2/6. So sacrificing ratio old minus new, that is 5/8 minus 3/6. Here 3/8 minus 2/6. If we take LCM, you can take it, you can multiply 48 or 24, it is a LCM. If it is 24 LCM, 8 3 times, so 3 into 5, 15. 6, 24 out of 24, 6 is 4 times, 4 into 3, 12. So 15 minus 12, so 3/24. Here we can take the same LCM 24. So 8 out of 24, 3 times, 3 into 3, 9. And then minus 4 times, 4 into 2, 8. So 1/24. So the base is same. So sacrificing ratio is 3:1 between Kalki and Kumud. So the goodwill is valued is 3,60,000 rupees goodwill valued. So new partner share of goodwill is 1/6. 3:2:1 means 1/6 for, what's his name? Kaustubh shares. So that is 60,000 rupees is the goodwill share. That amount actually has to bring in, but he didn't bring it. So the adjustment entry we have to pass in the books. So this 60,000 rupees is to be shared between Kalki and Kumud in the sacrificing ratio 3:1. That means how much Kalki will get and Kumud will get? 60,000 rupees into 3/4, 60,000 rupees into 1/4. This is for Kalki and then Kumud. So how much? 15,000 into 3, that is 45,000 rupees goodwill account is to be credited. Kalki account is to be credited. Here also 15 into 1, 15,000 into 1, 15,000 rupees is to be credited. So the journal entry, if asked journal entry, that means Kaustubh account debit 60,000 to Kalki account, to Kalki account 45,000 to, and then what is name? Kumud account is 15,000. So these two parties account is to be credited 45,000, 15,000. That is the exact and correct answer. What are the answers is given? 37,500 rupees, 32,000 respectively, it is wrong. 30,000, 30,000 wrong. 36,000, 24,000 wrong. So D, 45,000 rupees for Kalki and then 15,000 for Kumud is the correct answer, the exact answer. So answer D is the correct answer. Question number 17. Surveys Sriniketan and Srinivas were partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. If Sriniketan's share of profit at the end of the year amounted to rupees 1,50,000, what will be the shares of survey share of profit. What will be the survey share of profits? So the profit sharing ratio is given. The profit at the end of the year is given. The profit is 1,50,000 rupees. I mean, it is a share of profit. Sriniketan's share. Sriniketan's share of profit is rupees 1,50,000. So we have to find out the total profit for the year ended. So what is share? Actually 5:3:2. Sriniketan's share is 3. So 3 out of 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2. 10. So 3 out of 10. For 3 out of 10 shares, his profit is 1,50,000. So what will be the total profit? So the total profit equal to cross multiplication 1,50,000 into 10 divided by 3. So 5. So 5 lakh rupees is the total profit during the year. So what is asked in the question? Find out. We have to find out survey share. What is survey share? 5 out of 10. So survey share of profit equal to total profit. His share is how much? 5/10. So 50,000 into 5, 2,50,000 rupees. The 4 answer is given 5 lakh rupees. The one answer is wrong. 1,50,000 is wrong. 3 lakh is wrong. The answer D, 2,50,000 is correct answer. Please mark it. Understand? Number 18. Angle circle were partners in a firm. Their balance sheets showed furniture at rupees 2 lakhs, stock rupees 1,40,000, debtors rupees 1,62,000 and creditors at rupees 60,000. Square was admitted and new profit sharing ratio was agreed at 2:3:5. That means the new profit sharing ratio. In that question, old profit sharing ratio is not given. So we have to take it. For example, we can assume that is they are sharing equally, that is 1:1. The debtors, the stock was revalued rupees 1 lakh. Creditors of rupees 15,000 are not likely to be claimed. The debtors for 2,000 have become irrecoverable and provision for doubtful debts to be provided at 10%. Angle's share in loss on revaluation is amounted to rupees 30,000. That means the loss on revaluation is given. Particularly the one partner's loss on revaluation is given. So another partner's loss on revaluation must be because they were sharing equally. So his share of loss must be the same amount, 30,000 rupees. So we have to prepare revaluation account. What they ask in the question, Angle's share in loss on revaluation is amounted to 30,000. Revalued value of furniture will be. They are asking, this is a question. What is the revalue? The value of furnitures. So let us prepare revaluation account. In revaluation account, some assets are revalued and then the first asset. Formerly the stock was rupees 1,40,000. Now the stock was revalued at 1 lakh. So the stock value has been diminished to the extent of rupees 40,000. So the value reduction in assets, it will be debited in revaluation account. So to stock, that is 1,40,000 minus 1 lakh, that is 40,000 should be debited revaluation account. And then the creditors of rupees 15,000 are not likely to be claimed. That is an income. We need not to repay that amount. So it is an income. So the by creditors rupees 15,000. And then debtors for rupees 2,000 have become irrecoverable. That is bad debts. The bad debts, that means decrease in asset. Asset means under debtors. So two bad debts, it is also in the debit side, 2,000 rupees. After that, actually the debtors value is rupees 1,62,000. Out of that 2,000 is bad debts. So after the bad debts written off the remaining balance 1,60,000, on which we have to create the provision for doubtful debts. So the provision at 10%, that means 10% means 16,000 rupees. So the 16,000 rupees will be debited in revaluation account. It will be the debit side. So to provision, that is 16,000 rupees. Understand? And then loss on revaluation. What is the loss on revaluation? By loss on revaluation, that is Angle's share. Mr. Angle's share is rupees 30,000. Angle's share 30,000. So we have to assume they were sharing equally. So what should be the share of Circle, Mr. Circle? The same amount. Circle amount 30,000 rupees. The loss on revaluation. So the total revaluation, loss on revaluation is 60,000 rupees. So if we add the credit side, that is 75,000 rupees. 75,000 rupees you have to transfer in the debit side, and then you have to deduct stock, bad debts and provision. 40, 42, 16. So 58,000 rupees we have to deduct. So the remaining balance should be 17,000. What it should be? Actually, revalued value of furniture will be, what is the value? The revalue, how much it is revalued? What is the revalued asset, the value of the furniture they are asking? So the furniture value has been diminished to the extent of rupees 17,000. So it should be furniture value. Furniture diminishing value. Actual value of the furniture is 2 lakhs. So furniture value is 2 lakhs. Out of that, the value has been reduced to the extent of, by 17,000 rupees. So the revalued value of furniture should be, if we deduct 17,000 rupees, 1,83,000. It is a correct answer. So 4 answer is given. 2,17,000 A, it's not a correct answer. 1,03,000 is not a correct answer. 3,03,000 is not a correct answer. Correct answer is given in D. So D is the correct answer. Answer should be 1,83,000. So answer D is the correct answer. Understand?